everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and tips in home design. Today, we're diving into a flooring option that's often overlooked but is worth your attention: rubber flooring. Whether you're looking to redo your home gym, playroom, or even a commercial space, rubber flooring could be the best choice for you. So, what makes it such a fantastic option? Stick around, and I'll tell you all about it. 1. Durability and comfort. First up, let's talk durability. Rubber flooring is known for being incredibly tough and long-lasting, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like gyms, kitchens, and entryways. But it's not just durable, it's also soft underfoot. This makes rubber flooring a more comfortable option compared to harder surfaces like tile or wood, especially if you're standing or walking on it for long periods. 2. Water resistance and easy maintenance. Another huge advantage of rubber flooring is its water resistance. It's naturally non-porous, which means it doesn't absorb water or moisture, making it perfect for places like bathrooms and kitchens. And when it comes to cleaning, rubber flooring is a breeze to maintain. Just a simple sweep or mop will keep it looking fresh, and you won't need to worry about mold or mildew buildup. 3. Eco-friendly and stylish. Now, let's talk about style. Rubber flooring isn't just practical, it's also eco-friendly and comes in a wide variety of colors and textures. Whether you want a sleek, modern look or something more playful and vibrant, you can find a rubber flooring option that suits your style. Plus, many rubber floors are made from recycled materials, making it a great sustainable choice for the environmentally conscious homeowner. 4. Sheet rubber flooring installation. Let's dive into the installation of sheet rubber flooring. Start by ensuring your subfloor is clean, dry, and smooth for the best results. The rubber sheets are rolled out and cut to size, then secured using adhesive for a durable bond. Professional installation is often recommended for sheet rubber flooring to avoid bubbles and ensure a flawless, long-lasting finish. Once installed, it offers excellent durability and water resistance for high-traffic areas. So, why is rubber flooring the best choice for your space? It's durable, comfortable, water-resistant, eco-friendly, safe, and sound-absorbing all in one. Is rubber flooring the right fit for your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.